Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where command prompt appears and disappears on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to perform a clean boot on your system. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. Click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Next solution is to scan for malware on your system. Okay, so search for Windows security in the Windows search bar and open Windows security, and then go to the virus and threat protection tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select scan options, select full scan, scroll down and click on scan now. And lastly, you can perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. And if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.